The CHOGER Electric Pressure Washer delivers impressive cleaning power with a maximum of 4,200 pounds per square inch and 2.6 gallons per minute, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime. Equipped with a range of specialized attachments, this pressure washer is versatile enough to handle various cleaning tasks, from carpets and car wheels to windows and glue marks. The user-friendly design ensures that setting up the CHOGER electric pressure washer is quick and easy, allowing you to start your cleaning tasks in no time. With its innovative safety automatic total stop system, the pressure washer conserves energy by shutting off the pump when not in use, thus extending the machine's lifespan. The CHOGER electric pressure washer comes with 4 different nozzles and a foam cannon, providing the flexibility needed for different surfaces such as concrete, wood, and windows. An extendable handle and convenient storage options make this pressure washer easy to move around and store, enhancing its usability and convenience.